In this video, I'm going to quickly show you the two most important questions you must ask yourself before you enter a trade, or at any point in time that you want to trade in the financial market, for instance, the forex market. These are the two most important questions that you need to address. The first question is what to trade. This is the first most important question, because immediately you get what to trade right, then the likelihood that you are going to position yourself for profit is higher than when you get this question wrong. Now, this question is like a question that will lead you into asking some questions. For instance, when you ask yourself, what am I to trade? Now, it will now dawn on you that you will not pick any asset to trade without explicitly identifying the reason why you are trading such an asset. And that is what will now make you to view the market like the big banks will view the market, from a professional perspective, not just from a gambler or somebody just trading the market. What am I to trade? For instance, this is May 2025, and suppose somebody wants to take a trade during this season, and the person is now asking himself or herself, what am I to trade? Such a person will know that there is need for him or her to pinpoint an asset to trade and identify the reason why he or she will trade such an asset. Now, May 2025, as of today, we are in a risk-off environment. So if anybody is picking any assets, so it means such asset, regardless of the fundamental that backs the asset, the person will still include the sentiment of the market as of now to be able to decide whether that asset is the best asset to trade or not. So if you enter the market without asking yourself what to trade, like from an objective point of view, to say that what am I to trade, is not from a preference point of view. You say, I like GBP JPY, and that is why I want to go and trade it. Believe me, if that is your motivation for picking assets, a lot of the time you will get your fingers burnt. So you must ask yourself objectively, what am I to trade? This question will lead you into asking yourself, if I pick gold now, what is my reason for trading gold? In fact, this question will now give you an idea of the direction you might need to look for the asset that you have picked. Because you will look at the fundamentals behind the asset. If you pick gold now, if I'm picking gold now, May 2025, and we are in a risk-off environment where there is a level of panic in the market because of the current situation of the tariff war between USA and China and other trading partner with USA, and you now pick a particular asset that is maybe something like gold, just like the example I was trying to paint, gold that is a safe haven. Because there is panic and we are in a risk of, the likelihood of gold having to trend upward is high, because on the average, investors will move their capital from wherever they have it into gold, because gold is seen as safe haven. Now, asking yourself what to trade from objectively will make you look into the fundamentals, will make you look into the sentiment of the market as of that time you want to trade, and will now make you decide on the asset with the understanding of the likely direction of the market. This is the first most important objective question that you must ask yourself as a trader. The second question is where to enter. A lot of people talk down on technical and in fact they bash, traders that focus on technical. Of course, it's not going to be okay for you as a trader to focus strictly on technical, but even after you have analyzed all the fundamentals and you have looked at the sentiment of the market, you must have a very robust technical analysis that will show you where exactly am I to enter this trade. Because if your technical cannot pinpoint the exact point where there is liquidity, the key zones, and you position yourself to strike at that level, even when you know what to trade, you will still get your fingers burnt. If you can ask yourself these two questions and you can answer them with reasons backing them, believe me, you will trade consistently and you will be profitable over time in the forex market. Now I want to encourage you to check the description of this video. There is a trading system that will launch in the 1st of May 2025. The summary draft of that trading system will be added to the description of this video. This summary draft will show you a robust system that pinpoints what to trade at any point in time using our identification and optimization protocol. Then, using our initiation protocol, the trading system will still tell you the exact place to look out for trade opportunity. I believe that such a trading system will help you to be able to answer these two fundamental questions anytime you want to take a trade. I encourage you to download the summary draft, sit on it, see how you can incorporate this robust pattern of analysis into the way you approach the market. And of course, you will thank me later for this. Thank you. God bless you.